Welcome to the Shortwave Radio channel, and when we do live shows, we often talk about Radio Shack, and actually today there was a post on the Facebook group about Radio Shack, and for a lot of us, Radio Shack was the store that made it all happen. Radio Shack is the reason I bought a Realistic DX100, and probably the reason I am here doing videos and live shows. Just wanted to show you a website in case you did not know about it, RadioShackCatalogs.com. You got every catalog in here from Radio Shack, and actually I went through some of the main catalogs. You got a computer catalogs, main catalogs, sales catalogs, and so on. In the main catalogs, I went through the catalogs from for a long time. So they got old catalogs from 1939, but as you go on, they had the ones that I remember that we had at home, the Radio Shack catalogs from 1980s, which were the ones mostly I actually remember the cover of some of them here. I thought that I would do a series of videos and choose one catalog that I remember fondly, that I went through a million times checking all this stuff, and that I do a little series of videos going through the catalog, commenting on the stuff in there, the things that I actually owned and things that I actually drooled over. I thought it might be a kind of an interesting series of videos. So I'll post the link to this website, by the way, and in the description below. And of course, I'm going to do a playlist with all the Radio Shack catalog that I go through, including this one. That's going to be called Radio Shack Catalogs. So it will be in the playlist, because if I go through a catalog, it can be a video that is going to last more than an hour. I'm going to do just like 5-6 minute videos going through several pages and make several of them so that they are easier to manage, and you'll be able to go through the playlist. So if you want to see your favorite catalogs from Radio Shack, this is a website. When you click on a catalog, it'll offer you the catalog in several versions also. So you can actually check it out. And this is just so cool to see the catalogs, and it brings me back in time terribly. So Radio Shack catalogs, if you want to be nostalgic again, I think this is the place where you're going to find your catalog. And it's cool, because you find your catalogs that you owned, or that you might have looked at when you were younger and a long time ago. So enjoy the catalogs. They go up to 2004, 5. So they have a few little things that are weird here. I remember the Radio Shack catalogs white like this, that were the last few catalogs of Radio Shack. So enjoy, and look for my videos. I'll pick a catalog from the 1980s particularly, because that's the time that I was actually doing a lot of starting to go to Radio Shack and checking out all this stuff. So probably going to pick like 1982 or 83 and go through it and comment. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.